Kiumia kimwe thutha wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua kwambika birigiceni ya kuhitana na wendia wa njohi cia IBANGO na dawa cia kurebia gitaru-ini gia gatagati wa bururi. Ahuri biashara ya wendia wa njohi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni makaite makiuga na aria marendia njohi iria njagiriru matiraheo mweke.
The government is losing revenue, baunas are not selling.
Kuringana na muikarigiti wa Kĩama kĩa endia njohi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Richard Kagiri, maabitha a borithi na macifu aria maratabania mirurungano ya gwetha njohi ici ngananie maraingira nginya irabu-ini iria ire na marua ma kwendia njohi.
The officers wa polisi katika police station, machief na wale wote ambao wanahusika katika hii crackdown, wengine hawatafikishwa katika hizi koti. Some people hata wamejenga manyumba za ghorofa from such crackdowns. Wakati wa corona the same thing, unakuta hata mtu hana order hata ya koti anakuja anavuja kwako. So this crackdown is uncalled for. You cannot have a government that is eating its own people.
Kagiri niongereire kuuga ni mahatiririkite muno kuona makinyo igoti-ini marahurwo ndoco cia iguru muno undu uria urahotomia biashara ciao.
50,000 per every person who is arrested if he was pleaded guilty. Now if your 50,000 is taken by the court as a fine and then your exhibits are forfeited to the state, what does it mean? Probably your stock is worth 50,000 and then you lose 50,000. We find it as if now the government is stealing from its people. We thought that we will fight dynasty.
Ahuri biashara ya riu ni moritie thirikari nene na iria cia matura ithondeke mawatho marumu ma kuhitana na wendia wa njohi ici na dawa cia kurebia, kuona birigiceni ici riria cietabanio citigaga cia nyamaria nginya aria mari na marua ma kuhura biashara.
If there is any problem with the kind of business we do, then we can legislate. We come together, know where the problem is, look for the best avenues that can tackle the same, avoid the same, halt the same, and leave traders operating.
Okahinda-ini ukau muingi wa Kiambu nĩumenereirie uria birigiceni iyo iratabanio, makiuga maabitha a borithi maretua ni njohi marahitana nayo no ni mahaki mararogota kuma kuri aria mendagia. Riu makiuga haro iyo yahota guthata kunina njohi ici.
Ukiona hao wa kutoka juu ama askari wenye wanatembea wanaingia huko wanapewa kitu. Ukiwa una pesa uwezi uza hiyo pombe. So pombe inauzwa na wenye wako na pesa, wenye mali.
Na sisi wa mama tukiambiwa tutakuwa pamoja na serikali yetu, machief, manaibu, hata DC wetu tubalisa hiyo pombe kabisa.
Haro ino yambĩrĩirie kiumia kĩhĩtũku ĩtongoretio ni Deputy President igeri-inĩ rĩa gũthaitĩra mbeũ njĩthĩ kuma gĩtarũ-inĩ gĩkĩ arĩa matuĩkĩte tũgege na mĩkoma thĩ na gũtiga rũciũ rwa rũrĩrĩ rũrĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa kũhuka.